What's up, you guys? It's your girl Bluerissa, and ooh, I'm so excited because I haven't done a wig install from scratch. I've done a reinstall, but not like a from scratch with the lace still on type of install. So I'm really excited about this one. So right here we have a black wig, and we are not going to do baby hairs. We are going to do a no baby hair look. And there is only one thing I hated about this install. I'm not gonna say it right now. I'm gonna mention it when we get there. So as you can see, I made sure that around the ears I cut off the excess lace that is not necessary because it needs to fit perfectly around the ears. um and be careful with this step because you really don't want to mess this up. You can't add any lace, but you can cut the excess lace. So be careful, do it step by step. Check if you maybe need to cut more or if it's enough, but don't cut too much at one time because, as I said, you can't add any lace. You can only cut the excess lace that you won't need. So same thing right here. I cut around the ears so there won't be no lace. And also right here I paid more attention because I have a piercing right there and I don't want any lace to cover my piercing. I want it still to be visible. So cut around it if you have a piercing or a tattoo. Cut around it if it's possible. You still don't want to cut too much lace, but if it's possible, cut around it so you won't have to glue your wig on the piercing or on the tattoo. We done that. We are going to, well, I am I'm going to cut the lace in sections. Sometimes I like to work in sections, but sometimes when I'm kind of impatient I like to do the gluing in one go, but for now we're going to do it in sections. Also, if you don't want any hair in your face, you can use these clips to, yeah, get the hair out of your face and out of the glue if you're going to start the gluing progress. Also, make sure you use a skin protector to protect your skin and to have a long lasting install. So here we go. So I'm putting the glue on, and look at me, I'm so clumsy. All my clients, I know they think I'm clumsy because I think that too. But I'm putting the glue on, and first of all, I'm only using one layer. This is not cut out. This is really one layer. So, girl, why are you using one layer? I know why, because I only was going to wear it for like a day or two, but one layer isn't going to do the deed, girl. And you will notice, like, I'm not gonna even say it, like, just watch. The face says it all. Why? What is going on? I was so confused. I even put the blow dryer between my legs, still on, and just trying to press the lace into the glue, but it still it didn't work. So I got frustrated and I did it off camera, and it worked. And you know why it worked? Because I used enough glue. And I think I used 2 layers and enough glue, because the first time I put the glue on I used not enough glue. It was not enough to even work it was not even enough to let it do its magic. So right here you will see me use enough glue, not too much, because too much is also going to be like messy and stuff. But if you use enough glue, it will, yeah, it will do what it's supposed to do. So I'm pressing the lace into the glue, and after that I will start cutting the excess lace. I'm so sorry y'all can actually see me cutting the lace. I still have to get used to the camera angles, and where I have to put my mirror so I can still, you know, slay the look, but also to make sure y'all can actually see me do the work. um but yeah, you will see it is cut, and you will see my hand moving, so I think that is enough for now. If you have any pieces that are not glued on, just go back, get your glue, put the glue where it is supposed to be, and press the lace, and you're done. So basically for the other side it is the same story. Put the glue on, make sure you use enough glue, not too much glue. When it's clear, you put the lace onto the glue, press it gently, not too hard, blow dry it, cut the lace, and you're done. Okay, so you see me go back with a makeup brush to make sure the lace matches my skin tone, but it is not matching. It is not matching. It has a very ashy look, and later in the video I'm going to try to fix it with some holding spray. But as I was talking about earlier in this video, is one thing I hated about this install is the lace was very ashy. And why is it ashy? Because I didn't use the right shade of foundation. And I hated it so much, because look at it. We're not even done it, and it already looks good, except for the ashy look. And I went back with a little bit of got to be spray, but nah sis, nah. But we're gonna put my melting belt on, my Blue did that melting belt on, to hope that it is going to fix the ashy look. So yeah, just keep watching. What you cooking, boy? Period. Yeah, period. No, because look at that. It is still looking very ashy. And I kept going back with the makeup brush, but I should have went with a darker shade of foundation. If I did that, the ashy look wouldn't be this extreme. But you know, it still looks very, very good. I loved it except for the ashy look. Um, and you know, it's okay. We all make mistakes. Nothing in life is perfect. I'm not trying to be perfect, but I'm trying to learn from my mistakes. And I'm trying to be transparent on my channel and also show y'all the mistakes I make and that I learned from it. So here y'all have it. Even though I was a bit mad about the ashy halo look, I call it a halo because it was very visible. It still looked melted because look, melted. Ooh, and the other side, show us the other side, girl. Ooh, ooh, melted. But you know, in different sunlight, it looks halo-ish, but whatever. Thank you all for watching. Let me know what y'all think of this install in the comments, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.